Hello, my name is Cecilia Monclova. I'm from the Plant Pathology department. Beans. Aren't they delicious? Think for a moment on your favorite bean dish. You got it? Maybe you thought in chili, or bean soup, or a nice rice and beans. All of them equally tasty. Plenty of studies has shown that the consumption of beans can reduce the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and even cancer. The consumption of beans is a high protein and fiber content, but it also represents a multi-millionaire industry for North Dakota. Actually, in 2016, it represented $250 million in revenue for the state. Pinto, black, red kidney, great northern, cranberry, and navy are the preferred bean market classes commonly grown in the Midwest. I work with beans. Actually, I am somewhat a doctor of beans. Like humans, bean plants often get sick, and those diseases limits their productivity. So what do growers do when the million-dollar industry is compromised? As part of my research, I study a disease named bean rust. This disease is caused by a fungus that causes a rusty symptom on bean leaves, stems, and even pods. After infection, the fungus colonizes the plant tissue, depriving them to produce a good yield. If bean rust happens early in the season, it can reach epidemic levels, compromising the entire production. So this is where I enter the picture to help. In summer 2015 and 2016, we conducted a survey looking for bean rust across North Dakota counties. Even though previous researchers and breeders had developed bean lines that are resistant to bean rust, plenty of the rust races that we found in the field overcome those resistant genes. We identified 14 different races that managed to still infect bean lines in the field. We decided to study this population in depth, and we found that this is a unique, very diverse population limited to North Dakota only. Pinto bean, that is the preferred bean for growers and consumers, is highly susceptible and gets sick almost 90% of the time. Later, we decided to study new bean lines to see new sources of resistance. And we found that black beans and red kidney are the ones to manage to still produce a good yield, even though the rust disease is in the field. This information will help farmers and growers in North Dakota to develop better adapted bean lines. And having this information, now we can create a plan to prevent future bean rust epidemics and to assure food safety for us and generations to come. Thank you.